In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty trash on iPhone. So if you want to empty trash on your iPhone, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So first, unlock your iPhone and swipe right until you found App Library. So tap on it and search for Files. Open it. Now once you're inside the Files app, make sure you're on the main screen. But if not, tap on the Browse tab at the top left corner of the screen. Now look for the option called Recently Deleted. So this is where all deleted files are temporarily stored. So tap on Recently Deleted to open it. Now inside this folder, you'll see all the files that you have deleted from the Files app. And these files are kept here for a period of time before they are permanently removed. Now to empty the trash, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Select. You can now choose the files you want to delete, or if you want to remove everything, look for the option that says Delete All. So tap on it, click on Delete to confirm, and once confirmed, the file in the recently deleted folder will be permanently removed from your iPhone. So this will help free up storage space on your device. If you only want to delete specific files, you can manually select them and then tap delete. So just remember, once files are deleted from the recently deleted folder, they cannot be recovered. And that's it. That's how you empty trash on iPhone using the Files app. Thanks for watching.